Well, hello there to everybody out in my YouTube land. I know you have been missing the Miss Sassy Pants, dear Jesus. Hey, hang on. You not church up in here yet. Just a second. But you know Miss Sassy Pants, she's still alive. Oh, yes, I am. I have been up in the boardroom. I've been very busy. I've been yelling at the lady. The lady's been very busy too. August, don't even pay attention to August, okay? August is done. You know why? Because this dumbass over here, she ruined August in the very beginning. Well, yes, you don't say you didn't. You did, you dumbass. You just decided to get up out of the bed and just wreak havoc up there in the boardroom. She acts like she doesn't do anything, but she does. But yes, you do. You know what? Shut up. I'm doing a video. That's why we call her dumbass. Because that's depression, and for 10 days she knocked our asses out. I think she's been lifting weights. Smart Cookie says she's been lifting weights, because it seems like it. She kind of just slapped us, just one of those. Okay, so anyway, you guys, everybody, August was just a very busy month. All kinds of things going on, all kinds of things happening surrounding the lady's life. What surrounds her life, it surrounds ours. But anyway, so just listen, okay. What was I gonna say? Smart Cookie, back on your notes. Okay, just hang on. So August, very busy month. And we apologize, but we also want to thank so many people for remembering Miss Sassy, the lady, yes, you dumbass, lazy ass, and Smart Cookie's birthday. Yes, we got some really cute things. Susan's just making it. Thank you so much, Susan, for my elephant phone holder. Oh yes, use it every day. We got something really cute from the Miss Erica and Sherry over there. We got awesome lifestyles. Yes, we did. Thank you so much, ladies. I hope you're feeling better. That's from Sassy. You got that right. And by the way, Sassy is in the house. Sassy's in the house. Why wasn't there a Mask Monday? Because I didn't want to do a damn Mask Monday. Okay? Yesterday was Sunday. And I just said, you know what? Oh, crap. Well, okay. I can say that. All right, then. Oh, shit. Oh. Anyway, we're not supposed to use language. Well, yes, we can, because it says mature audiences only. You just make sure the lady puts that wording up in the very beginning. Oh, my gosh, look at this. She got us all cleaned up because it's the Labor Day weekend. You guys have never seen Sassy looking like this, have you? But you know what? This is not a Mask Monday. You know what? Because I don't have to do Mask Monday if I don't want to do Mask Monday. Sassy can do whatever the hell she wants. And guess what Sassy wants to do? She wants to show off her Splendies. These have been sitting here forever. I want to see what the lady's going to be walking around the house in. So you guys just sit your asses down. Okay, whatever. You know, if I want to say that, I'm going to say it. Okay. Oh, excuse me, that was not me. Oh my God. Okay, so you guys listen, all right? Don't tell anybody. But we had issues yesterday, and do not mess with Netflix. No, lazy ass. Oh, you know, you were pissed. Okay, so anyway, the internet goes out in the middle of a Netflix binging. So we get a hold of them because they got 24-hour service. And the man says, okay, so everything's up and running, nothing's wrong, you're not part of the outage. We said, thank you. He says, reset your box. We did, and it wasn't coming back on the TV. So you know who was really mad? That's right, you and Slash. You guys were just like, started sucking face. Anyway, so this lady says, Sassy, I need you to do something. He said to go under there, unplug the TV, plug it back in. I said, okay. So I bent down to do it, and the phone is right there because she has it on speaker, and I just, well, you guys know what I did. It just, it just happens. There's not much you can do. It's called nature. So I just went, excuse me, oops. I hope he didn't hear me. I think he did. So let's get back to the Splendies. I just, because I had been wearing a pair of these, I think they would have been soiled. Okay, okay, who's telling me to shut up? You, Greg, William. You was there, huh? Were you the one that just kind of, just let one go? That wasn't you? She's trying to blame it on me. William, you know, you can take the fall for me. I'd appreciate it once in a while. You and Edward still together? I haven't checked in on you guys in a month. Edward, this week we're serving my good beer. Whip out the Coors Light. Just get the Coors Light out. That's my good beer. Or the regular Budweiser. That's the good stuff. None of this Moonstone, Keystone, Limestone. What is it? Magic Stones, whatever. Okay, so anyway, all right, let's keep going. It was 5 minutes already? I've been talking for 5 minutes. It seems like 20. I know. Everybody shut up. Hey, you! Choco Taco. Stop your licking. It's they're just licking its toes. You know. I'm just gonna say right now the colors they did for summer. Damn. Oh my goodness. Just I can't see. I can't see. Okay, alright, just hold on a second. I can't see any of us wearing these. Okay, maybe we'll give these to William. Because she usually goes without undies. Check these out. Check them out. Miss Lady, these are wider than the lens. You gotta put wide lens on when we do Splendies. Because she's got a large ass. She's got like junk in her trunk. You know, let's see if these got a rocket pocket. I think they're taking the rocket pocket out, you guys. Come on, Splendies, put them back in. Because they did watch one of our videos. Okay, so anyway, that's panties number 1. Oh, stop it. Just stop. Okay, you're gonna make me laugh. Okay, just check these out, you guys. You know what? Even you, dumbass. I would tell you to shut the hell up, but you know what? I think they're all thinking what I'm thinking. Check out these, you guys. They're so pretty. Look at these. They're just, you know, they're. But you know what's gonna happen when she puts these on, right? All you're gonna see is crack. Look at this. You're just gonna see her big old. Okay. Look. But you're just gonna see crack. But they're cute. They're very cute. Oh, look at this. This is Wilshire, Montana Intimates. Okay, let's see if they put rocket pockets. Oh, they do. They do for the big rockets. Yes, they do. Okay, so anyway, next. That's panty number 2. Oh, dear Lord Jesus. Okay, now you can do church up in here, okay? Look at the boy shorts. Can you see Miss Wide Load wearing one of these around the house, like under her jammies or something? Oh my goodness. You know, I should make her put them on and do a show for you guys. You know, like some of those ladies do, they buy all those clothes. You know, like, just have a, what is it called? You having a knit fit? Stitch fit? Yeah, that one. You know, and they try their clothes on. Yeah, I'm gonna have the lady try these on. But they're really cute inside. It's got a pocket. These are cute, but they're just like, our big old fupa's gonna hang right over. Well, ours. But you know what I mean. Alright, panty number 3. So this is 3, you guys. Who likes number 3? Who likes crack too? Shut the hell up. Who likes crack too? This big lady is white ass. You know, these are really cute, but it looks like somebody made these with my grandma's old sofa. The material on her sofa, you know, like those pillows. It's just an old lady. Or maybe we should change the subscription. So just let us know. Leave your comments down below, please. Thank you very much. Because we don't take questions on this channel. No, we don't. Well, sometimes. And by the way, don't ask me what's happening. But my subscription number is staying at the exact same number. But every day I have 3 new subscribers. And the number never goes up. And they're just watching all of my latest videos. So I don't know if YouTube is punishing us because we haven't posted anything. If they did, well, they can suck it. I just, you know, that's because what I want to say. It's my channel. What's my video? Okay, well, it's my show. All right, you guys. So anyway, I got done with my shower. I totally did my skincare, my mask and everything. So this is not a mask Monday. This is a SASSY'S back. The ladies in the house. Dumbasses. Dumbass. Lazy ass and slash are doing very good, you guys. Smart Cookie here. I don't know where you've been. You've been very busy up here in the boardroom, keeping Miss Lady like all just, you know. And then of course we still have Edward. I'm still dating Greg. Oh yes, you like my hair like this? You do? Instead of looking like just dumbasses over here. I love you, my dear. Okay, so anyway, oh my god, I know I get so just you know, when I see him, he's so sexy. You know who he looks like? He looks like The Rock when we're making out. That's what I imagine. Just don't worry about it. Okay, and then we still have William. You know, William hasn't left that spot. Are you living here now? Seriously? Like in the closet or something? Is that why all of the tissues are missing? I said, okay. Well, she's homeless, you guys. Her and Edward were dating. They're still friends. Not sure where it's gonna go. We'll see. Time will tell. All right, you guys, that's it. Sassy's back. Lady's back. She's got about 150 damn boxes that she still has to unbox. And she'll be doing that this week. Thank you for tuning in to the Sassy Show. And this was not a Sassy skincare. This was not a Mask Monday. This is just freaking sassy. So if you're not subscribed to the Sassy Show, sucks to be you. Bye. Peace. That's it. We're done. Okay. Just, you know, what? I do not have a snooker. She saw I had a snooker in my Goodbye.